Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharat Chandra. Large number of people have been asking us to do the fundamental analysis of ITC shares. Of course, for the last so many years, it has not gone up. There seems to be no profit at all for somebody who was invested in this particular stock. However, since large number of people are asked, today we decided we will do a fundamental analysis of ITC stocks. Please watch until the end because I am talking about certain very important facts about this particular stock. Founded in 1910 as Imperial Tobacco Company of India Limited, renamed as Indian Tobacco Company in 1970. Later, it is called ITC in short. The first cigarette factory of the company was set up in 1913 in Bangalore. Currently, there are no promoters in ITC since the Britishers who started it are all no more. 29.4% owned by British American Tobacco. About 28.5% is controlled by various Indian government insurance companies like LIC. It's a Nifty 50 company and large cap company. Its weightage in Nifty is 2.84%. To give an example, if ITC moving up by rupees 35, Nifty will go up by 1 point only. Beta as on 5th March 2021 is 0.66. This is the picture of various products sold by ITC. Many of the products that you must be using regularly probably are part of this picture. The major products of ITC are cigarettes, atta, biscuits, chocolates, soaps, hand wash, notebooks, agarbattis, hotels, paper, dairy products. Since we have seen ITC Hotel in Bangalore, we are tempted to think that their main product is a hotel. No, you will later understand there is a very small percentage of the sales of the ITC come from the hotel. Some of the famous brands: Ashirwad Atta, Ashirwad Salt, Sunfish Biscuits, Bingo Chips, YP Noodles, B Natural Juices, Candyman Candles, ITC Master Chef Spices, Farmland Frozen Vegetables, Fiamma Shower Gels and Oils, Vivel Soaps and Body Wash, Engage Perfumes, Savlon Hand Wash, WLS Clothing. Now, where does the ITC get its sales from? Cigarettes, 41.4%. Consumer products, biscuits, snacks, personal care products, 22.5%. Manufacturing of food products, rice, soya, coffee, tobacco leaves, 18.3%. Production of paper and packages, 10.70%. Hotels, 3.4%. Others, 3.7%. Details about ITC: face value is rupees 1 per share. Book value per share 51.70. Industry PE 17.07. PE ratio 19.35. Shareholding pattern of ITC: promoters nil. Foreign institutions 13.31%. Domestic institutional investors 42.93%. Others including retail investors 43.76%. Since large number of retail investors are holding ITC, I understand their interest in knowing about the fundamental analysis of this particular stock. Now, ITC financials. Year ending March 2016, 40,722 crores is the total income and 9,492 crores net profit. 2017, 44,538 is the gross income and 10,471 is the net income. 2018, 45,280, net 11,485 crores. 2019, 50,526, turnover 12,824 is a net income, and 2020 March, that's the latest year ending, 52,001 is the total income and the net income is 15,584 crores. Now comparing market capitalization of ITC with the peer companies, ITC 2,55,680 crores, VST 5,349 crores, Godfrey Philip 4,699 crores. ITC stock price, suppose you bought 100 shares in 1980, I cannot say exactly, approximately in the range of 1980, the following would be the bonus and split history. 1980 was the first bonus, 1:5, 100 shares became 120. 1989, 1:1, it became 240 shares. 1991, 3:5, 240 shares became 384 shares. 1994, 1:1 bonus, 384 becomes 768. 2005, 1:2 bonus again, and 768 shares became 1152 shares. In 2005, ITC shares 10 rupees face value became 1 rupee. That means 1152 shares you are holding becomes 11,520 shares. 2010, 1:1, 11,520 became 23,040. 2016, 1:2 bonus, and it finally becomes 34,560 shares. So 100 shares you purchased long back have become 34,560 shares now. This is the story of somebody who has invested in ITC stocks way back in 2000, 3rd January 2000 to be precise. 10,000 invested then. That time ITC rate was 18 rupees 82 paisa, and as of 5th March 2021 it has become 1,10,521 because currently the rate of ITC is 208. If you calculate for 21 years and 2 months, CAGR comes to 12.02, and last 5 years the ITC shares have not moved significantly, so CAGR is almost nil. 52 weeks high, rupees 239. 52 weeks low, 135. Lifetime high around 345. Current price 209. ITC dividend history, 2011 they gave 445%. 2021 it gave 500% dividend. This is the history of last 10 years. Now ITC stock price graph for the last 5 years. You can see that it is moving in a narrow range and finally it has come down, not gone up. ITC stock price seems to be in a consolidation phase for the last 4 to 5 years. This is the ITC stock price graph for the last 15 years. You can see that it has not reached the peak what it was in the past. When I talked about consolidation, let me give you some idea. This is the Reliance Industries stock price graph of last 15 years. You can see until the red mark, nearly for 10 years, the Reliance did not go up out of the particular consolidation band. With the red X mark I given, it has started going up. Normally, there are two patterns in breakout. One is upside, another one is downside. If it goes upside after the heavy consolidation, longer the consolidation, more is upside or downside, and then once it starts going up, the rule is 1x is equal to 5x. So Reliance has really moved high very fast. But it may also happen with ITC after some time, after some more years of consolidation, maybe. But one more thing to note is, in case the particular stock goes downside with a breakout, then it could be 1 is equal to 5x at the downside. So please do the fundamental analysis and technical analysis very frequently. As of now, there are no signs of breakout either way. So right now there is no indication for buying ITC either for long term or for short term. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharat Chandra channel, this is the time to register and then subscribe and press the bell icon so that next time the video comes directly to your mobile. In case you like this particular video, press the like button. In case you find this particular video useful, please type useful in the comments box. Send this video to large number of your friends because large number of retail investors are holding ITC with a fond hope that it may start improving in the days to come. Let them know about the whole story about the ITC and my views and let them form their own views. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.